Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of study focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Here are some project ideas related to natural language processing. 1. Sentiment analysis. Develop a system that can analyze the sentiment of text documents, such as social media posts, product reviews, or customer feedback, to determine whether the sentiment expressed is positive, negative, or neutral. 2. Text classification. Build a text classification model that can categorize documents into predefined classes or topics. For example, classify news articles into different categories or detect spam emails. 3. Named entity recognition. Create a system that can identify and extract named entities, such as person names, locations, organizations, from text. This can be useful in various applications, such as information extraction or document summarization. 4. Machine translation. Develop a language translation system that can automatically translate text from one language to another. This could involve using techniques like sequence-to-sequence models or transformer-based models. 5. Question answering. Build a system that can understand natural language questions and provide relevant answers based on a given corpus of documents. This could involve techniques like information retrieval, text summarization, or deep learning models. 6. Text generation. Create a text generation model that can generate human-like text based on a given prompt or context. This could include tasks like language modeling, chatbot development, or generating creative written content. 7. Text summarization. Develop a system that can automatically generate concise summaries of long text documents or articles. This can involve extractive methods, selecting important sentences, or abstractive methods, generating new sentences. 8. Language modeling. Train a language model on a large corpus of text data to predict the next word or generate coherent and contextually relevant text. This can be useful for various applications like autocomplete, spell checking, or text completion. 9. Opinion mining. Build a system that can mine opinions or extract subjective information from text, such as identifying positive or negative sentiments, extracting aspects or features, and associating opinions with specific entities. 10. Text similarity. Develop a system that can measure the similarity or relatedness between pairs of text documents. This can be useful for tasks like plagiarism detection, duplicate content identification, or document clustering. Remember, when working on NLP projects, it's important to have access to relevant datasets, consider ethical implications, and choose appropriate algorithms and techniques based on the specific problem you are trying to solve.